Okay, we got little Ava here. We're gonna do a little neck poppy, okay? A little popcorn. Just relax, close your eyes. And relax. Good. There it is. That was good. That was perfect. We're gonna keep going here though, okay? There you go. And this thing is her, this is for her costume. People are like, what is this guy? What is he wearing?
Sure.
Sure it is. Okay, let it fall. Good job. Oh. Yay! Yay! Okay. Just relax. Okay, we got the cutest astronaut in the house today. And just roll a little bit. Oh, there it is. Okay, Ava, how do you feel?
Good.
Good.